So this is another question asked in JEE Main 2018 examination. I have taken this question from set B and question number is 79. Okay, what it says is metal, so there is some metal which is treated with sodium hydroxide, it forms a white precipitate. Okay, and this precipitate X, when further say treated with excess of sodium hydroxide, it gets dissolved. Okay, and the second line is the important line which gives you a very important hint. X, when heated strongly, gives an oxide which is used in chromatography as adsorbent, and this makes this question very simple, because we know that in chromatography normally what we use is alumina, silica. Okay, so these kind of oxides, and you know, after say silica, alumina is say the one of the most used adsorbent in chromatography. Okay, so this gives you a very important hint. And if you look at the information that is given in the first line, so it is when treated with sodium hydroxide. So if you take this metal sodium alumina, okay, aluminium, pardon me, when it is treated with hydroxide ion, aqueous hydroxide ion, what it does is it forms a white precipitate of aluminium hydroxide. Okay, so this is the white gelatinous precipitate that gets formed, and aluminium hydroxide is further soluble in sodium hydroxide. So if you use excess of NaOH, okay, it gets soluble. Now coming to the next part, if you heat X, what you are going to get is, you are taking aluminium hydroxide, which is X, the compound X in this case given in the question, and if you heat it strongly, what it does is it forms alumina and water molecules. It removes water molecule along with this. Okay, so you can write 3H2O here. Okay, so this compound alumina is used in chromatography. So this was a very simple question, where in the second information, the second line, they gave you a very important hint. Okay.
Explore more about the topics you love with Toppr. Subscribe now and keep learning.